Rational numbers can be positive, negative, or zero. But how can you tell if one rational number is greater or less than another? In this video, we will look at techniques for comparing and ordering rational numbers. Let's start with an example. This table shows the depths that 4 divers reached in their dives. Use a number line to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. This number line has 3 integer values marked -20, -25, and -30. We can use these numbers to approximate the locations of the 4 data points in the table. Let's start with -25.4. Here is -25, so -25.4 is to the left and not quite at the midpoint, as shown here. The next number is -18.2. We start at -20 and locate -18. Since -18 is greater than -20, it is 2 steps to the right, here. So -18.2 would be to the left of -18, around here. The next number is -27.2. So we find -27, which is here, and -27.2 is to the left, around here. Finally, we have -24.3. So find -24, which is here, and then move a third of the way to the left, around here. The number line now shows the numbers arranged in sequential order. Notice that as the negative numbers have an increasing absolute value, they are further to the left on the number line. So graphing rational numbers on a number line automatically arranges them in numerical order. Let's look at another example. A submersible reached depth A, then it went to a higher depth B before it submerged to depth C, which was deeper than the original depth A. Arrange these depths in order from least to greatest on a number line. We want to arrange A, B, and C on the number line in a numerical order from least to greatest. We know that on a number line, lesser values are to the left and greater values are to the right. We're given 2 numerical relationships. A is deeper than B, so this means that A is less than B. We're also told that C is deeper than A, so this means that C is less than A. Let's graph these relationships on the number line. Notice that this number line doesn't have a 0 point or any tick marks. Since no actual values are given, we're graphing these points relative to each other. Here we have A to the left of B, so this represents this inequality. Since C is less than A, all we need to do is move C to the left of A, as shown here. This arrangement on the number line shows the 3 numbers A, B, and C in increasing order from left to right. Let's look at a final example. Arrange these numbers in numerical order on a number line. This number line shows the integers from -100 to -107. We want to graph points A through E. Notice that some are in fraction form and some are in decimal form. We can graph them by estimating their position on the number line. Let's start with point A. Here is -102. We place -102 3/4 here. With point B, we first find -101. We place -101.25 here. With point C, we first find 103. We place -103 2/3 here. With point D, we first find -104. We place -104.3 here. Finally, with point E, we first find -105. we place negative 105 and 1/8 here. By graphing the points on the number line, they are automatically arranged in sequential order. From left to right, the numbers are in increasing order.